Most people in the US believe great skin comes from finding the perfect product. But here's the uncomfortable truth no one tells you. If your skin barrier is damaged, nothing you apply will ever work the way it promises. You can spend hundreds of dollars on luxury serums, anti-aging creams, and viral skincare trends, yet still wake up with dry patches, redness, irritation, or sudden breakouts. That's not bad luck. That's your skin sending a warning signal. The skin barrier is your body's first line of defense, and when it's compromised, your skin becomes unpredictable. One week it looks fine, the next week it feels tight, burns when you apply products, or reacts to things you've used for years. This confusion is why so many people feel frustrated and exhausted with skincare. They think aging is happening faster, or that their skin type has suddenly changed, when in reality the foundation is broken. A damaged barrier allows moisture to escape and irritants to get in, creating inflammation that makes skin look older, duller, and stressed. The reason this topic is exploding right now is because people are finally realizing that healthy skin doesn't start with correction, it starts with protection. When the barrier is strong, skin holds hydration, tolerates products better, and repairs itself naturally. When it's weak, every product feels like a gamble. If your skin has ever felt sensitive for no reason, if your routine suddenly stopped working, or if your skin looks older than it should, this message is for you. Because once you understand the power of your skin barrier, everything about skincare changes. For years, skincare in the US has been about fixing problems fast. Strong acids, intense exfoliation, and powerful anti-aging treatments promised instant results. But today, people are realizing that this approach often backfires. If your skin feels sensitive, unpredictable, or constantly irritated, the issue is rarely a lack of products. It's a lack of protection. Your skin barrier is the unsung hero of healthy skin, and when it's damaged, everything else falls apart. Many people mistake this damage for aging, thinking their skin is getting worse overnight, when in reality it's losing its ability to defend and repair itself. The skin barrier is a thin but powerful layer made of skin cells and natural lipids that work together to hold moisture in and keep irritants out. When this barrier is strong, skin looks smooth, calm, and balanced. When it weakens, moisture escapes quickly and inflammation rises. This leads to dryness, redness, burning sensations, breakouts, and a rough texture that makes skin look older than it is. What makes barrier damage tricky is how easily it happens. Overwashing, hot water, harsh cleansers, alcohol-heavy toners, frequent exfoliation, and mixing too many active ingredients can quietly strip the skin of its natural defenses. Add everyday stress, poor sleep, pollution, and sun exposure, and the damage compounds over time. This growing awareness is why skin barrier repair and protection have become major wellness topics in the US. People are shifting away from aggressive routines and toward gentler, science-backed techniques. Ceramide-based and barrier support products are now at the center of modern skincare because ceramides help rebuild the skin's natural structure. When the barrier is supported, skin holds hydration better, reacts less, and heals faster. Protection also matters just as much as repair. Daily sunscreen used prevents UV damage that weakens the barrier and accelerates visible aging. Gentle cleansing keeps skin clean without stripping essential oils. Adequate hydration, quality sleep, and stress management give the skin the resources it needs to recover. When the skin barrier begins to heal, the changes go beyond appearance. Skin feels more comfortable throughout the day. Products stop stinging. Makeup sits better. Breakouts calm down. Fine lines look softer because hydrated skin reflects light more evenly. This is why dermatologists increasingly recommend fixing the barrier before introducing strong treatments. Healthy skin responds better to everything that follows. Skin barrier repair isn't a trend or a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in skin health. When you protect your barrier, you give your skin the chance to function the way it was designed to, and that's when real, lasting results appear. Stop fighting your skin. Start protecting it. A strong skin barrier is the secret to calm, youthful, healthy skin that actually lasts.